Example number 1. Find the square root of 3 up to 3 decimal places. Read the statement very carefully. What is the meaning of up to 3 decimal places? It means when we find out the square root of 3, the digits of quotient will be 3 digits. How? Look at the board. Now, how we write 3? We can write 3 means 3 decimal. How many places we needed? 3 decimal places. It means we needed 3 periods here. First period, second and third. We will write 6 zeros here. How we make periods? First period, second period, third period in decimal part, and in whole part it is only 1 period. Apply same long division method. Take the divisor whose square is less than 3 or equal to 3. We will take 1. 1 ones are 1. 1 in quotient and 1 in divisor. Then subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Now here decimal, we put decimal in quotient only, not in divisor, not in dividend. Now bring down the next period. Next period is 0, 0. What we will write in divisor? Double of quotient. What is current quotient is 1. Double of 1 is 2 and 1 fill up. What will we write here? Think. We write here 5. 5 5s are, if we write 5, multiply by 5. So it will be 125. It is less than 200. If you will write 6, multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. 3, 12 and 3. We write 7, multiply by 7. 7 7s are 49. 4, 7 2s are 14 and 4. So 189 is less than 200, which is the greatest in these all. So we will write here 7 and multiply by 7 here. Then we will subtract and we will write here 7. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now bring down the next period. The new dividend will become 1100. Now divisor. What is the current quotient? 17. 17 2s are 34 and 1 fill up. What will we write? We will write here 3 because 3 3s are 9. It is 11. We will write here 3. Multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 1. 3 3s are 9 and 1, 10. Now subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1. Now 9 minus 2 is 7. It is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down the next period. New dividend is 7100. Now, what will we write? We write here 3 also. Double of 173. 173 multiply by 2. It will be 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 1 and 2 1s are 1, 2 and 1 3. and 1 fill up. We will write here 2 because 2 3s are 6. Multiply by 2. We have to observe this. 2 3s are 6, 87. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 4s are 8 and 1 9, and 2 3s are 6. And we will now subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 9 is 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. Will be right here 2. How many digits in question after decimal? 3. What will we find out in question? Find the square root of 3 up to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places came. Therefore we stop here. Answer is root 3 equal to 1.732. How many places we needed according to the question? Now example number 2. Find the square root of 2 1/5 correct to 2 decimal places. It is different from the first question. First of all, we will convert mixed number into improper fraction. 5 2s are 10. 10 and 1 11. 11/5. Then we convert it into decimal. 5 2s are 10 minus 1. We will put here decimal, then 0. Here is also decimal, then bring down 0. 5 2s are 10. It means we have to find out the square root of 2 decimal 2 correct to 2 decimal places. What is meaning of correct? First of all, understand it. What is the meaning of correct? Correct means, suppose you have to write 9.87. Correct to 1 decimal place. Here are 2 decimal places. We have to write correct to 1 decimal place. How to write? We will observe this digit. It is 7. We will write it 9.9. How? You have to observe this digit. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, digit equal to 5 or greater than 5, then you will increase 1 to the previous encircled digit. Encircled digit is 7, previous digit is 8. So we will 1 increase in 8. So answer is 9.9. Again 3.52. You have to write it correct to 1 decimal place. It means you have to encircle 2. It is 2. Digit 2 is less than 5. So we will know one increase in the 5. We will write here only, it will write only 3 decimal 5 only. If the digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5 and circle digit, then you will increase 1 in this digit in previous digit. If it is less than 5, no increase in the previous digit. It is meaning of the correct. Same in this question, if we have find out the square root of 2 1 by 5 correct to 2 decimal places, it means we need 3 decimal places. 2 1 by 5 equal to 11 by 5 equal to 2 decimal 2. Now we find out the square root of 2 decimal 2 up to 3 decimal places. How? We will complete the period because we need 3 places. 1 period, we put zeros, 2nd period and 3rd period. Now we will use long division method. Same. 1 1s are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. We put decimal here. We will bring down the next period divisor. You can write directly. Double of 1 is 2 and 1 fill up. Now we will write here 4. Multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 and 1, 9, minus 10 minus 6 is 4 and 11 minus 9 is 2 and it will be 0. Now we will write here 4. Now bring down the next period. New dividend will become 2400 and the next divisor will be double of 14 is 28 and 1 fill up. What will we write here? Now 8 2s are 16, it is 24 and 8 8s are 64. 6 will be carry also, 6 and 16 22 and we will write here 8s are multiply by 8 here. 8 8s are 64. 6 8 8s are 64 and 6 77 carry. 8 2s are 16 and 7 23. Now minus 10 minus 6 is 10 minus 4 is 6. Now it is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. It will be 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. We will bring down the next period 0 0. What will we write? Double of 148. 2 8s are 16. 1. 2 4s are 8 and 1 9 and 2 1s are 2 and 1 fill up. What will we write here? If we write here 4, 4 9s are 36, 3 will be carry, then 4 2s are 8 and 3 11. No, it will be greater than, we will write here 3. Multiply by 3 here. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 9s are 27 and 1 28, 2 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. Now minus 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now it will be 5. 5 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. And 8 minus 8 is 0. We will stop here because 3 digits in question. We need 3 digits. Now how to write? Square root of 2 decimal 2 equal to 1 decimal 483. We encircled the third digit. It is less than 5. Then answer is 1.48. It is the answer correct to 2 decimal places. Thanks.